Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. Well, I'm also doing good over here. Today, again, I'm going to make another recipe with pumpkin, and it will be very simple recipe as well as healthy. So stay with me to watch what I cook and how I cook. Well, first of all, I'm going to cut this pumpkin into pieces. So let's cut it. You have to cut the pumpkin like this size because you have to boil this pumpkin. If you cut this pumpkin in very small and very thin pieces, then the pumpkin will be overcooked, because I will keep this pumpkin along with rice. So you have to give this kind of shape or this kind of shape with because it will be easy to cook properly along with the rice. Okay, so let's give it a clean wash. Pumpkin has been washed thoroughly. As you can see, there's no dust or anything. Now I will wash this rice because I will keep this pumpkin inside of this rice along with means together. So I have to wash this too now. This is the view from my room. Outside view, as you can see. After washing the rice, I'm keeping the rice on the gas stove. See? Oh, there's something. Okay, you have to give according to your rice and according to your pumpkin. And, well, keeping this pumpkin inside of the Okay, you have to give water according to rice and pumpkin. So yeah, it's okay. Cover it. Now let it be boiled, and till the time I'll just chop some onions because I need onion in this recipe. So let's chop the onion. Well, I have taken a large amount of onion, and the onion has been chopped thoroughly, as you can see. You know, in this food, like if you take a large amount of onion, it will taste better. So usually I take a large amount of onion, as you can check it, and it has been chopped thoroughly. On the other hand, oh my goodness, look at this, what happened. Alright, the rice and the pumpkin, they are getting boiled thoroughly, as you can check it out. I have to lower the flame. Yeah, it will now automatically be boiled thoroughly. On the other hand, I have kept this pan in this side, on this stove, because we'll fry this onion over here. Okay, let the rice be cooked. Put some oil. Okay, I think I have put a large amount of oil. Some of the oil I just keep over here. Alright, that will be fine now. I'm keeping aside. If I need again, I will just use that oil. Well, now I'll give a little amount of cumin seeds on it. That's enough. You don't have to use more. Just a little amount of cumin seeds. Now, the onion. Once this onion gets a slight brown color, as you can see, it's just having a slight brown color. Now you add a little salt over there, and a little amount of red chili powder. Actually, the chili and the salt, it depends on someone's taste, right? So you can use according to your taste. Now do like this, mix it thoroughly. Give it a little fry again. Look at the color of the onion. Once the color gets like this, then you just stop the flame, because the onion has been fried thoroughly. You don't have to fry more now. Now, on the other hand, some work. We have to take out the pumpkin pieces. Okay, let me check whether the pumpkin has, it has boiled thoroughly. You can see it's hot actually, but it has boiled thoroughly. Did you notice? So the pumpkin should be boiled like this only. I'm just separating the pumpkin from the rice to this plate. All the pumpkin has been taken in this plate. As you can see, there is no more pumpkin in this rice. The pumpkins are over here. Now the next step is you have to smash the pumpkin. smash thoroughly like this. It's hot, so you cannot use your hand now. I'm just using this spoon. All the pumpkins should be smashed thoroughly. You don't have to give it a smooth smash. Means if you just smash it randomly, it will be okay. It's hot exactly. Well, if you give this kind of a smash, that is okay, that is better actually. Now what we have to do, take out this fried onion from this pan. Well, now give it a mix. You can eat this with rice, steamed rice, as well as you can eat with the, this one with chapati also, means Indian roti, Indian chapati, Indian bread actually. So it will taste with both the foods, like with chapati as well as with rice. This will taste better. But today I'm not making chapati. I will eat with rice because it feels better to me. Actually, I feel better to eat with rice. Since my childhood, it is one of my most favorite dish, one of my most favorite food item. Well, now it's ready. Yeah, the pumpkin has been boiled thoroughly. Well, now we'll eat with rice. So let's see how it is tasty or not. Okay, this is my boiled pumpkin. You can say, yes, steamed pumpkin also, and rice. Also, I have taken a piece of raw onion. So let's eat. You have to mix with rice and with this pumpkin thoroughly. Let's see how it is. Fabulous. Just fantastic. Trust me.